Namaskar, Khushru Vidya. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is neuron receptor. Receptor are sensory afferent nerve endings that terminate in periphery as bare unmyelinated endings or in the form of specialized capsulated structures. Receptor responds to the stimulus. When stimulated, receptor produce a series of impulses which are transmitted through the afferent nerves. Generally, receptors are classified into two types, exteroreceptors and interoreceptors. Exteroreceptors. Exteroreceptors are the receptors which give response to stimuli arising from outside the body. Exteroreceptors are divided into three groups, cutaneous receptor or mechanoreceptors. Receptors situated in the skin are called cutaneous receptors. Cutaneous receptors are also called mechanoreceptors because of their response to mechanical stimuli such as touch, pressure, and pain. Touch and pressure receptors give response to vibration also. Chemoreceptors, receptors which give response to chemical stimuli are called chemoreceptors. Teleceptors are the receptors that give response to stimuli arising away from the body. These receptors are also called distance receptors. Interoceptors are the receptors which give response to stimuli arising from within the body. Interoceptors are two types which are as follows. Visceroreceptors, receptors situated in visceral are called visceroreceptors. Proprioceptors are the receptors which give response to change in position of different parts of body. So here in this diagram you can see Messiner corpuscles for touch, Merkel disc is also for touch, Pacinian corpuscles for pressure, free nerve endings for pain, cross and bulb are for cold, and Ruffini and organs are for warm. Exoreceptors is divided into cutaneous, chemo, and telereceptors. Cutaneous receptors is divided into touch, pressure, cold, warmth, and pain. Touch for touch, Messiner corpuscles and Merkel disc receptors. For pressure, Pacinian corpuscles. Cold, crop and bulb. Warmth for Ruffini and organs. And for pain, free nerve endings. Nociceptors. Response of cold and warmth are together called temperature receptors. Thermoreceptors. Chemoreceptors are divided into two, taste and smell. Taste for taste, taste buds are present on tongue. Smell, olfactory receptors. In nose, teleceptors, vision, rod and cones in retina of eye, and hair cell in organ of corti of ear for hearing. Interoceptors, visceroceptors and proprioceptors. Visceroceptors, stretch receptors are present on heart. Baroreceptors are present on blood vessels. Chemoreceptors are present on GI tract. Osmoreceptors are present on urinary tract and in brain. Proprioceptors. Muscle spindle is present in muscle. Golgi tendon organ on tendons. Pacinian corpuscles on ligament and fascia. Free nerve ending on joint. Hair cells are present in vestibular apparatus of ear. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.